Do you have a messy backside? Well, today I'm going to give you a tutorial, cable management tutorial, where I'm going to go through and show you how to cable manage. I've also got some cable clips for this one to make things a little bit easier. And what we're going to do today is I'm going to give you kind of a step-by-step tutorial on how to make this thing look a little bit better. And of course, I'm doing this on my main computer right now, my video editing machine. So my front is kind of pretty clean, nice and well kept, but the back is just not necessarily the most prettiest. So what we're going to do is we're going to redo this and hopefully get some cable clips in here. I've got a lot of them actually today, so that hopefully we can get some nice looking, better and more appealing backside than what it was before. So without further ado, we're going to get into it, step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so first things first is what I'm going to do to start off is just try to get all these zip ties undone. I really think that first of all, zip tie or these ties and stuff are a big deal, kind of holding things up. So let's actually just get these all untied at the moment and see what we can get from there. Don't throw these away because we're probably going to need them later on. But this is just a completely messy backside. And what I want to do is, ideally, I want to get some cable clips right there. So what I'm going to start by doing is putting one of these right there.
You and me are bored of regularities, living all the dreams, playing all the games, and getting high on love. They can chase us down, but we will always win. Leading every dance, feeling every touch, and getting high on love. We're invincible. Trust in me, we're invincible. Don't you see, we're invincible. We're invincible. We're invincible. We're invincible. We're invincible. Let's escape the gray and let the colors rain. Turn the shit we do and our words into pure reality.
I have finished the back cable management, put a lot of zip ties in, but I'm really happy with how this turned out. Looks a lot neater than the jumble of cables that were here before. I gotta say the cable clips actually were a really good idea. Yeah, that was, to be honest with you, 100% honest opinion, I like the fact that the cable clips actually allowed me to put wires wherever I wanted, and instead of relying on the case. That was pretty cool. And if I I probably would, if I was to build another computer, buy some separate ones. Because I honestly think it's a really good idea. And I know I got these for free, and I know I'm not trying to have like some biased opinion on this, but it really does make a big difference, especially in the back of a case. Like, this was really helpful because if I ever want to add more, I just literally, if I ever want to add more hard drives, I just pop another one in there. And I think it looks, you know, pretty dang impressive. I like especially with the zip ties also, big help. Recommend some of those. But after that, it's just, you just kind of group it together, get it into one solid wire, and then you're good. So that is, without further ado, the how to manage you know, your cables in the back of your computer case. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, of course, give the video a thumbs up. Thank you for BlueKeyWorld for giving me these. Big help in the back of my case, and they will definitely be staying. Yeah, really nice, because at least it keeps everything back there. So when I put on the nice new, oh well, that was not a good idea. But when I put on the nice new back or whatever, it'll be good. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed today's video, and goodbye.